Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told that the graph below shows the power consumption for a day in September in San Francisco. P on the y-axis is measured in megawatts, and T on the x-axis is measured in hours starting from midnight. We're asked what was the power consumption at 6 a.m. and at 6 p.m., when the power consumption was the lowest, the highest, and do these times seem reasonable? So first, at 6 a.m., that is 6 hours after midnight, so t is equal to 6, the function is at roughly this point. What is the power consumption, the y value? Well, if we go across, it's right about here. Halfway between 600 and 400 is 500. And don't forget, we're in megawatts. At 6 p.m., t is 18, since 6 p.m. is 18 hours after midnight. 18 is right here, which corresponds with this point right here. If we go across, that's halfway between 800 and 600, which is 700. When was the power consumption the lowest, and when was it the highest? The lowest y value we can see is right about here. This, if we find the x value corresponding with this point, by going down, we can see is about 4. T is measured in hours starting at midnight. So that's 4 hours after midnight, which is 4 a.m. And the highest value is anywhere in this period right here. We can pick this as the highest, is approximately 12 hours after midnight, which is approximately 12 p.m. These times do seem reasonable since 4 a.m. is in the middle of the night. We're going to have lower power consumption on average, and at 12 p.m. in the middle of the day, there's going to be higher consumption.